MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
I've been helping my father a lot in his body shop as far as I can remember, and one of the most used tools is a MIG welder. If you work on cars a lot and you want to take your home shop to the next level, I suggest you getting a MIG welder and learning how to use it. Whatever welder you use, make sure that you have the safety equipment for it. You need welding gloves, a welding jacket, and a welding helmet. The most important safety equipment is the helmet. When you start the weld, the light is so intense that the helmet darkens to protect your eyes. This studio has plastic floors, so you want to make sure you have a welding tarp on the floor. Check with your local welding supply store if they give lessons. They could even rent you a machine so that you can practice and for you to choose the right machine that fits your needs.
Typically, we tend to start with the SMAW process, which is what most people would call stick welding. It's very versatile. It doesn't require any additional shielding gas, so it's great for use in the field. Then we usually move on to the MIG welding process. I happen to have a Fronius MIG welder right here. We use these in the shop exclusively for our wire feeder. Anything automotive related, this is probably the process that's going to be used the most. And then you have your GTAW process, or your TIG welding, which is done with an electric torch with a non-consumable electrode. And it's great because there's no smoke, there's no fumes. It's a very clean, precise process. Welding, like any other trade, once you learn it, it's yours for life.
It doesn't take long learning the basics of welding, but like anything else, it's practice, practice, practice. If you have any questions or comments, reach out to us here at MotorWeek.